How to buy favor market token. So this token came under the symbol of favor. So this token is available on Mexc. So before we go in and buy this token, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check this account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, what you need to do, just go and open your Mexc account like that. And now, if you don't have an account in Mexc, go down description and you will be able to find the referral link or create an account in Mexc to benefit from yours. After that, click here in the search bar and type like that, favor, like that. Now, as you can see, you can now click on this initial listing. Now, what you need to do, just make sure to read all of that. The deposit it opens and favor USDT trading is innovation zone, and it will be available on June 26 and about 12 UTC. Now, we'll give you an example if this token is available for trading. So, for example, this is our token. I will just give an example by Bitcoin. Now, as you can see, make sure to select the pair that have USDT first of all, and now they will direct you to this page. Now, what you need to do, I will just go back, and as you can see, I will just give you an example. So, as I said before, make sure to select the spots, don't select the future, and now select the pair that have USDT. Now, after that, wait a few seconds to load this page. Now, what you need to do here, just type how much you want to buy of that USDT on your account, and here you will be able to receive how much you receive that token. In this case, it will be favor. Now, after that, click here on buy favor, and you will be able to receive that token in about a few seconds, a few minutes in your account. So this is easy and simple, and this is how to buy favor token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.